Alright, in today's video, we gonna just do everything we've been doing, but try to take it up a notch. So let's get right into it. So, you see that? That was just that warm up. You know, we do the little slide, warm it up, get used to my bringing the bike back in our balance point for real. I hope everybody's having a good day. I hope y'all coming out and practicing, man, because that's what we doing. You know what I mean? You gotta come out and practice, man. You know what I mean? It's a beautiful day to do wheelies or learn wheelies. You know what I'm saying? Like, what you doing? Go outside, turn the bike on. You know what I mean? What you doing? Just come out and practice. All right, so right now I'm gonna just go second gear wheelies real quick. I'm gonna do that first round of second gear wheelies, get warmed up, and then hopefully the next 2 rounds is gonna be better than this, but let's go. What I'm about to do right now is just some first gear wheelies, bringing it back deep as I can, you know, meeting it with the brake, and just getting more comfortable with bringing the bike back. So, and then I'm gonna go back to the 2 feet, and yeah, that should be it. But let's go. Alright, right here, y'all seeing them? I think I'm progressing on that. I'm getting more steady. I'm getting the bike up a little higher when I do that, 1 foot down. It's helped me learn my brake a little bit better too. Now I'm just about to go on with the last second gear wheelies. Hopefully I get some good ones. If not, I feel like overall I'm doing better. So that's all I'm worried about is me progressing, learning that rear brake, and like, yeah. So yeah, all you gotta do is keep practicing, keep progressing. Don't never give up for real. Come out, turn your bike on, you feel me? Kick it on. Your old bike, kick it on, you feel me? I'ma start mine with the electric start. And yeah, keep practicing. Hey, as y'all seen right there, I was still in second gear practicing. Hey, even if the wheelies are more, if they're short, I'm still doing short wheelies right now, right? But my wheelies are more controlled than they ever been. Like, I'm not panicking that much. I'm pulling it up. I'm remembering my brakes, so it's coming together. Everything's clicking a little bit better than normal. You know, that's just coming with repetition and practice. I hope everybody else is still doing their thing. You know, practicing coming out here, cause this summer, man, this summer right here, don't get left out. We gonna be wheeling for real. You know what I'm saying? So I hope everybody's coming out still practicing. Hey, I feel fine, yo. I feel like I'm doing better. Even if I'm not doing distance yet, I'm gaining control in my braking, you feel me? And that's my main thing I want to do, was make sure I know that brake is there if I go too high. So yeah, we going back in there. Alright, there y'all have it. Day 20. Wheelie practice in the bag. You feel me? Hey, it's gonna be more videos like this. So you might as well subscribe to the channel if you didn't do that already, because I'll be dropping a video like every other day, and I'll see y'all in the next one.